Hello everyone, this is Anita. I want to tell you about a new program called Webull. And it's similar to Robinhood. You get free stock up to the value of $1,000. So every time you share this opportunity with someone, you get a free stock and they get a free stock. Also, I just earned another free stock. So what I'm gonna do now is go in here and 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 retrieve my free reward or free stock. I'm gonna see how much I earned. Let's see. It says at the top here, it says congratulations. You get a chance to draw a free stock, and it shows me the account that I get the person who signs up by their email. Okay, I won a free stock of a bill worth up to the value of $4.25, which is a good stock. It's been earning steadily, and it's not a junk piece of stock. It's a really good company, and I am happy that I won. Okay, and it shows me right here what I won. They congratulate me, and I can click invite friends to invite more people. So I'm really happy about that. Thank you so much for watching this broadcast. If you're interested in this opportunity, click the link at the bottom of this video to get started, and email me at coachanita@gmail.com, and I will add you to my Facebook group on add you to my group on Facebook and give you the support and training you need to help you get more free stock. And I also teach you how to trade stock. Okay, talk to you guys again. God bless you. Hold all the calls, Brenda. Intercom's closed. It wastes electricity. If you need to communicate, yeah. Better pass notes under the door like they do